Hello and welcome. David with Ag Economic Insights, AEI.ag. Today I'm talking about the Ag Forecast Network and the question of the week. We have two questions this week. Of course, it's the USDA's August WASDE report coming out this week. Everyone's thinking about the corn and soybean yield. Now, there's a lot of independent forecasts that have been coming out over the last few days, and the temptation is for us as individuals to make our own point estimate for the yield forecast. And that can be helpful, but if we really want to challenge our thinking, if we really want to learn from ourselves and others, we need to take a specific point, a yield forecast point, and say, what's the probability of the USDA coming in at or above that threshold? And so with the Ag Forecast Network tool, we've outlined two flash questions to help you think about that. So the first one is, what's the probability of the USDA's August WASDE report estimating the U.S. corn yield at or above 180 bushels per acre? The second one is the probability of the USDA pegging the soybean crop at or above 51 bushels per acre here in the WASDE report. You saw my forecasts. I'm not going to share the consensus. I don't want to bias you, but you can get in there, update your forecast, take a look at the consensus. You can read all the information we have about trend yields, Dr. Jeff Young's yield forecast that he's put together throughout the growing season. And of course, if you're new to the Ag Forecast Network and AEI Premium, you can start your 14-day trial. You can get a question resolved here this week and get your scores back right away. So I'm going to join you later this week. I'll wrap up what we saw in the report. We'll wrap up how the scores played out, and we'll see how this resolves itself. So again, I encourage you to challenge your thinking on this, go beyond those point estimates for the forecast yield. Challenge your thinking, learn from yourself, learn from others. Thanks for joining us.